Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, like, share and comment. So today guys, I ordered a ring light and a tripod stand the day before yesterday and I've received it. So today I want to show you how to assemble it and I think you like it. So if you don't know how to assemble a ring light, here are the steps how to assemble it. Please join me on assembling it. So guys, these are the tools that I'll be using to assemble the ring light. Yeah, I ordered this, the receipt. Yeah. It has two phone holders. This one and this the second one. This one will help you to to fix it on the tripod stand. It allows the ring light to rotate 360 degrees. We also have this holder too. It's for the phone holder. Yeah, I think they'll go in that way. This one too. So guys, as you can see, I have this stand here. So first you'll start by adjusting these strands. You loosen them. It depends how you want it to be, the angle at which you want it to be. And then you make sure you fix it so that it can't be loose. Yeah, this is how it will look like. And then we have these two knots, this one and this is two. You loosen this knot too for you to achieve this type of length. We also have this one, you loosen it too. After that you fasten it. It's very tall. And by that, this is a 10-inch ring light with two phone holders. Yeah. We have this rubber band here. You'll take it off. I think this one is used to secure this place. Yeah. It looks like this. You will take your ring light and fix on this position here. No, I think I forgot. It has two phone holders. So what you'll do, you just look at it. It is supposed to be here. This one. This is a phone holder. The first phone holder. And then you'll tie it to be firm. This is the other phone holder. We have this and this one. You loosen the, is it a lid? What does it do? And then you fix it firmly. And then you tie it. After that, you'll achieve something like this. So guys, after you have fixed the ring light, you have this other part. You can see it clearly. Yeah, from this other part inside here, we have a ball like something. So this one will help you for your phone to rotate 360 degrees. So you take this one and fix on this ring light here. Take this phone holder, fix it to here. Please allow me to bend this part so that it can be easy for us to fix this part here. And then fix it firmly. You have this remaining phone holder here. You'll take it and fix in this position here. It has two places to fix, so you have this place here and this one. So it depends in which position you want it to be fixed. So me, I chose this one. I'll fix it this way. So guys, this is the final look. Yeah, this is the final look. Yeah, we have remained with this cable. So we'll take it to the charger directly. So I'll charge it here on the switch. And then let's try. Now you can see how it looks like. Yeah, it's already on when you fix it on the socket. So guys, that is it. Wow, I just love it. Oh, this USB cable has some buttons here, 4 buttons: on, off. This one, it's a subtraction sign. I really don't know this one. which sign is this, and we have an additional sign. So this one is for on and off. And then we have this one, the first one, it reduces the light, you see. Yeah, you also have this one to change the light. We also have this one changes the light to yellow. We also have this one to brighten it up. So if you want this one, you can reduce it, you see. Yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and comment. Thank you so much. Till we meet next time. Thank you.